In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set the clay on the wheel before we start to center it. Now, this is where a lot of people mess up. One, we just needed this clay into this nice swirl, okay? Now, as you can see, it's kind of like a cinnamon swirl. Now, when you're throwing pottery, if you're right-handed, your wheel should be going counterclockwise, okay? Let me say that again. If you're right-handed, your wheel should be going counterclockwise. If you're left-handed, my other left hand, your wheel should be going clockwise, okay? And if you don't know how to change the wheel direction on your wheel, if you got this one, the Clay Boss, there's a little switch down here where you just unplug it, turn it around, and plug it back in. It'll switch the direction of the wheel. Not all wheels can go both directions, but this one can. So since I'm right-handed, I'll show you the right-handed way, but basically we just made this a nice swirl, right? So you need to make sure that you know which way it should go on the wheel, because if we put it on the wheel like this, where the tongue is sticking out here and the wheel's spinning this way, what's that gonna do to the clay when we start to center it? Well, it's gonna start unraveling it, okay? So what we need to do is actually make sure that your piece of clay is like this, so that when it's spinning on the wheel like this, when we push on this tab, it's compressing and not unraveling, okay? So once you know which side is the bottom and which side is the top, that's when we can get it on the wheel. Now, what we're gonna do is just dip our hand in some water and just spread some water across the wheel. You don't want too much, okay? A little bit of water goes a long way. Now, what I like to do is, our goal is to hit the center of the wheel, right? Like right in here, as close as we can to the middle. So what I like to do is kind of measure my arm here and I'll hold the clay and I'll do some practice swings like this, okay? When you're first starting out. And then once you're ready, you're gonna slam it down, okay? Now, once you get used to this, basically you'll be able to take the clay and then you'll just be able to slap it down. Now that wasn't too bad, right? However, it's definitely off kilter. I can tell, I can see that on these rings, it comes out to this guy right here. But when we turn it around on the backside, I can see a smaller ring right there. So it's like way off. Now, most people will just go to try and center it. No go, no go. There's a way to actually fix this because we're human, right? It's hard to slap it on the middle every time. So what I like to do that most people don't know about is you're gonna take one of your hands, whatever you feel most comfortable with, put it on the side that's way off and push down and kind of turn it. If you push down and turn, this piece of clay is not gonna fly off the wheel. If you try to just push, it's gonna fall off the wheel. So the key is push down on it and turn at the same time, and you can put it right in the middle of the wheel. Pretty cool.